Here the question is to predict the monomers of the given polymers. First one is nylon 66. This is a type of polyamide and is made from two monomers. The monomers are hexamethylene diamine and adipic acid. Hexamethylene diamine is a type of diamine with 6 carbon atoms and dicarboxylic acid is adipic acid. This adipic acid is also containing 6 carbon atoms. The polymerization reaction involves the condensation of these two monomers and they will produce nylon 66 by the elimination of water molecule. This is a condensation polymer. The second one is Buna-S. This is another type of synthetic rubber and the monomers are butadiene and styrene. The polymerization of styrene and butadiene yield Buna-S, which is used in various rubber applications for its elasticity and durability. So for writing the monomers of nylon 66, you will get 1 mark, and for writing that of Buna-S, you will get the next 1 mark. So the total mark will be 2.